Hey guys, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I just finished one video and said that I was going to start this video with the brand new paint pouring stuff that I saw at Dollar Tree, and I am so excited. They had so much more, but I have never paint poured, no idea how to do it, and so I'm not just going to buy all this stuff and attempt it. So at first I thought this was a strainer, and I was like, is this going in your sink? And then I looked and it said it's a paint strainer, and it was not in the correct place at first. And I was like, oh, that's cool. Maybe it's for pouring paint. So I just got it. And then when I actually got down the craft aisle, they had a whole, like, is it like a chip clip or something? I don't know. They had a whole strip of this and different, what is it? Like different designs for the paint to come out. So there was one with just like two wide slits and then small little slits. Like, so it was so many different ways for the paint to strain at the bottom. But I picked up this one. So it just says it's a paint strainer, and this is whatever, but because it says it's for paint pouring, you know, I had to get it. So, and they had so many more things that were for paint pouring. So this one just says decor, and it has the whole, it is very, very thin. I mean, you can see how incredibly thin this is. So, I mean, if I was actually going to do something with this, I would definitely get like 2 or 3 to put together. But I just got these to practice with because it says that you pour paint on it. And so I was like, well, I need that then. So I'm going to attempt this, and it is by Greenbrier. So I'm going to attempt to do paint pouring on here. And then this wooden panel says it is also, and they had one that was this way and one that was longer, like in a different section. Robert, can you please come let the dogs out the door so they'll stop banging on it? Okay, sorry. But this says it's a wood panel for paint pouring, but I liked it because look, like it's not just a flat one. So it's like open back here. So it's an actual frame. So you could actually use this side and not do paint pouring, and you could put something over the front, and this could be your own shaker. And then the back is already like, so you could use this for anything you wanted. I'm going to try paint pouring, but if I mess up with the paint pouring on, you can just put, keep it open if you want. So, cause they're going to scratch to come in. So if I mess up on this side, I might just turn this into like a shaker or something, and then this will just be the back. So anyways, I thought it was cool because it's flat, like, or has the opening. So there's that one that's for paint pouring. Excuse me. And then I found this, and this is decor, and there's 4 pieces, but it's also for the paint pouring. And these pieces of wood are not so thin, and I feel like they're supposed to be coasters. And for this, like, they already have the cork board at Dollar Tree, and then if you have this, and then they have the Mod Podge at Dollar Tree, and they have the paint. So you could literally make coasters for so cheap, you know, and for whatever you want. So I thought that was super cool. Again, there's 4 pieces in here. I feel like they're supposed to be coasters. It doesn't say it, but let's be honest, they made these to be coasters. But because it had the paint pouring, I was like, yes, I need this in my life. So this is what I picked up for the paint pouring. Y'all, I will try to do a thumbnail, but let's be honest, it never works. I don't know. If it doesn't, I'll just take a picture. But so these are what I saw way more, but that's what I bought out of it. And then these were also new. There was another one I just had. Oh, it's right here under everything. No, don't be under everything. So I found these, and they're glitter canvases, and they had them in so many different colors. It was green, pink, gold. I mean, there were so many colors, and it is 8 by 10 inches, but it's the glittered canvas. And so it is just the canvas here again, but this part was the glitter, and I thought that was so cute. And then here was another one of glitter canvas, 6 by 6, and it's not very tight right here, you can see, but again, here is that. But this one is the thick one with the opening on the back. So again, you could put this into, you could cover this side and make this a shaker or something. I mean, whatever you want, but I just liked that it was new and that they already did it for me. So I got that one. And then I did pick up some of these because I thought, how cute would these be for like Christmas, which we've already said that. But I liked that this side was black, so it's the chalkboard black, so you could write to and from on this side. I mean, not even for Christmas. You could do it for a birthday or whatever. So you could just Mod Podge like any kind of napkin or a picture. Like, I think it would be super cute to get like, say like somebody's turning like 30 or 21 or something. So you get a picture of them when they were a kid and you Mod Podge it on this side of the tag, and then on this side you put to and from, and then like they'll know who made this for them, and then they can just hang it and it's just a picture. It's just a picture that, you know, like of you and them together maybe or something like that. And I like that this side again is the chalkboard, so you can just write to, from, and then a picture of you and them on here and put it on their like Christmas present or birthday present or just a thoughtful present you send to them. That's why I bought some of these, because I have some best friends that I've known since 8th grade, and we do everything. This one's kind of broken, but everything together with our kids usually and as families. And I was going through pictures the other day and I found so many. And so I was thinking like on one of, so this side is kind of the finished side. So I was thinking that I would maybe write like friends forever, or thank you for being a friend, because that is the Golden Girls. So I was thinking of that. And on this side, putting a picture of her and I or something, and just sending it with like a gift for her or something, and like wrapping the gift and putting this on it. So that's why I got those. And then I cannot find glow in the dark paint. It's just so hard lately. And I was at the Dollar Tree and I saw this, and it's LA Colors a glow in the dark nail polish. And so I was like, I wonder if this would work. So I might use this and dump it in here. It's probably not going to be the same consistency. I don't care. I'm not trying to be a professional. I'm just trying to have fun. I may even take this and mix in just a little bit of Mod Podge or something so that it is a little bit thicker. But anyways, I got this to be paint and not on my nails. I got this just for the glow in the dark and to use it as regular paint. So they had so many different colors. And then I was like, ooh, I wanted to get glow in the dark nails, because you guys know I have been putting my own fake nails on. But then I was like, first of all, I will scare the crap out of myself if I wake up in the middle of the night with my hand under my face and my nails are glowing. And then I was like, I don't think the dogs would react okay, and it could be a hot mess trying to go to sleep at night. So scratch that idea, not happening. All right, let's see what else I found in here. Oh, there was one I want to make sure I get to right now because I want to play with it myself. Where is it? Hold on one second, guys. Oh, this one is one of them, but hold on. Here's one, hold on. Is it in here? Oh, that's the one I just did in my last one. Hold on, guys. No. Oh, no, never mind. It's right here. Never mind. It's like a disco in my kitchen. No. Okay, let me show you guys. So there's a couple that I really, really want in this haul. This one right here, so this is Sensory Toy, and it's 4+, but it's stress relief. It's a grab bag thing, but it's open, like you can see what's in it. So it's a Sensory Toys, shape 'em, zip 'em, pop 'em, wearable sensory fun. Just so you know, we were paying $1.25 for this. We were paying $1.25 for the bracelets, and now they have it in a bag, and it's a toy bag. And let me show you guys. So it has this. You don't like that, huh? My dogs do not like that. But it has this. Let me put it back in the bag, I think. And then it has the zipper bracelets, which we've gotten again, and we paid the $1.25 for one, or the $1, right? But then, you all, it has the rings. Okay, my fingers, yeah. So it has the pop-it rings. Like, I so think that I might, so I always wear an acrylic ring to work, because with all the stuff that we have to use on our hands and stuff, I do not wear my wedding ring to work, because I don't want, I've so many times my hands have sweat and I went to pull the gloves off and my wedding ring has came off in there. I just can't take that chance. So I honestly, my wedding ring sits in its package or in its boxes that I got, and I just wear the acrylic unless we're going somewhere, because I just can't take that chance. But I think I'm going to start wearing one of these, because again, I just make sure that there's something on there, because, you know, I just don't want to go around with nothing. But how cute. And then I'll just keep popping it. Nug, I got pop-it rings. You want to try one? Okay. But I think they're super cute. So I'm going to actually wear one on this finger instead of my other ones. But you guys, there's two in there. So again, it comes with two of the pop-it rings, the little noisemaker toy, and the bracelet. I think that is a great deal. I love the rings. Let me just put this, I have to put my other ring in here. And then we have this, and it is grape. It says it's a Pout Potion Scented Lip Balm. So it's LA Colors, 0.13 ounces, magically tints Pink's lip, and it's Magically Tints Lips Pink. And it looks like that, but we're going to try it on. And I'm only going to put it on one lip because I just want to see if there's a difference. So let's see. I was super excited. I was like, I love just random little things that, like, it doesn't have to be cheaper. I just love random things that you don't find at other places. Okay. So let's see. This definitely smells like grape soda. It smells amazing. It feels super soft. I see a difference. I don't know if it's like just because my bottom lip is I don't know. Let's see. Let's just go because I feel like, is it just because my bottom lip is shinier? No, I think it's definitely tinting the color. Yeah, this side of my lip looks like how I do makeup, like I forgot it. Yeah. Oh, yo, this is super soft. This definitely, I like this because I put chapstick on all day long, and this my lips feel super soft, super soft. I love that color. Yeah, excuse me, I feel like I need to get more because I'm sure they're not gonna have it. It smells like grape, it looks purple, and it goes on pink. I was looking to see. Yeah, I like that. I really like that one. So that is, since I've destroyed the package, this, yeah, the pout lotion. Oh, I like that. That's really good. And since we did the sensory toys, this is the Infinity Cube. And so I hadn't seen this before, and they had these in different colors also. But I think, oh, I guess it just keeps going however you want it to go. Oh, so it's just another fidget toy. Oh, it doesn't go in. Oh, it does go inwards. Oh, wow, that's crazy. So yeah, it just is a toy that just kind of goes, I guess, however. Oh, wow. I don't know. But anyways, kind of cool. I feel like it would be cool to just sit there and like mess with in your hands, like maybe when I'm doing notes and stuff. Notes is the worst part of my job. So I really like that. So that's another one. Again, I had it in different colors. Let's see what else is in my little bag here. I did just pick up 2 more of the iron-on transfers. These are old from before. This one just says, but first coffee. We've seen that. And this one says adventure awaits. And I just got them because they're already done and I'm lazy. So I got those. I did pick these up because I do plan, just so you guys know, on eventually trying out my wood burning markers. And so I just got these because I loved the borders and I hadn't seen these ones before. And I'm always like, no, I'm not going to pick those up because I have a Cricut. Y'all, I don't use my Cricut. I don't. My forehead is so big, and so with it being shiny, it's like reflecting light into my living room. Like, I feel like there's gonna, like, a magnifying glass and it's gonna like break my TV from the reflection. Oh, holy moly. Okay. Anyways, so I'm not gonna make this with my Cricut. I have no intentions on it. So again, I was like, it's already done for me. It has 3 different ones, so I'm gonna use this. So that's what I got those stencils for. And then this is the hand mask. Again, I have used this one. Super, super amazing. So I plan on putting this on my hands on Saturday and then putting the mask on my feet on Saturday and then redoing my nails and redoing my toes and just feeling all fresh. So yes, I got that. It's just like I said, by Be Pure. I thought that said the animal nail gloves. I was like, that is not what I got. Yeah, so love that. I did pick up another one of these, the colored pencils, Prang 3.3 millimeters, 36 of them. Everyone says, you know, they're so expensive, they're this. I love them because I may not do it often, but I will sit in bed and color for 5 minutes and I just love it. And so as many colors as I can get. I have markers, I have crayons, I have everything, but I mean, for $1.25, I decided I was going to pick up more of these ones. So I got one. I love to just sit in bed and color, and I don't do it very much, but like I said, I'll do it like maybe 5 minutes. I've never finished one picture, but I just like to do it, and I absolutely cannot do adult coloring books, y'all. That is too tedious. Like when people say, oh, I do the adult coloring, it's so relaxing. In what world is that relaxing? Like those pieces are, that is nerve-wracking. You're like, oh, let me get that little one. Oh, wait. And then it shows you how old you are because then you got to get like your magnifying glass to get into some of the little crevices and cracks. And you're just like, no. And then you're going to get more wrinkles because you're squinting trying to look in all. no thank you. I want the kids coloring book, the big pictures, so I can color a little teddy bear holding a balloon. That's what I want. That's exactly what I want. I picked this up. Oh my gosh, so I got the taco seasoning, but I had not seen the ranch dressing mix. You all, I love to just throw like some chicken, some ranch dressing mix, and maybe like a little bit of butter into a crock pot. Absolutely amazing. Tastes amazing. And ranch mixes are horribly expensive. They're like $2 a packet. So to get 3 for $1.25, it's amazing. And so this is Spice Trader. I also like to get this and just put it in sour cream and then eat it with chips. All the fattening things. If you want fattening recipes, come to me. I will tell you. Yeah. So anyways, I got these and they are 3 ounces. Oh, I love these. I love these. So yeah, got that. My last story. But I went on a date with my husband today, and we went to his aunt's restaurant, and she got both of our plates. She had no idea what we ordered. She came out to the table, and she said, "This must be yours, Larry." And he said, "Yes." And she said, "And I knew this was yours, Amy, because it was sweets." And I was like, "Yes, that is mine." You all, like, I am so surprised I'm not diabetic. I love anything sweet. I have a sweet tooth all the time. I'm not gonna have any teeth if I keep that sweet tooth, but you know, you did not have to walk on my feet. So guys, these are back again. I think they're cute. I have not seen them back in a while, and they're just saying a wood gift box. See the top. So they had 4 different kinds, I think, but I only got 3 of them. So here is this one. You see, like, the side is just like the plain wood, and this has, like, I don't know, wood marks on it. And they all are the same they all have the gold latch on the front, and then they're all just plain on the inside. I think it's going to be cute to fill this with fake things. Yeah. And like glue them in there. I don't know. Y'all, if I followed through with any of my ideas, ooh, the crafts I would have instead of the junk piles. So this is the other one I found. So you see this one is just flat on the top, but it has like the edges right here. And then this one is like not totally square. Do you see the edges? And it's like the top is just the plain wood, but this has like the wood grain or whatever. So like I said, there was one more, but these are the only 3 I picked up. So this is the front of them, and then this is the tops of them. So guys, I probably have one more Dollar Tree haul, which I'll probably do right now, but this one was my super exciting one. So I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.